Wow. See? Good morning. Huh? See the flower. Huh? Bas Bahar? But the man will not allow us for swimming now. We did not wearing the swimming clothes. We did not wear the swimming clothes. See, Khalid. See Khalid here in the front. Wow. Grabe nice. Grabe super ka nice, guys. Khalid. Huh? You don't like Bahar?
This one.
Grabe nice, super kayo. Welcome guys to the resort. After we eat breakfast. Paal! Should come here. Yeah. After we eat breakfast. La. We wearing pajama. The man will be angry for us. We go for only in the park over there, huh? We play. Where we go? We did not wearing swimming clothes. We will wear swimming clothes, but then we will come back here, okay? Say hi. Nice day siya, guys. So, lantawa pagalin niyo ang view. Wow! Muna siya ang view, guys. Grabe katsada ba eh. Katsada kayong view. Ha? See? Katsada kayong view, no? Ha? You don't like what? You don't like a man? Here, ha, in the park. Here in the park. You like in the you don't like in the park? Huh? Come. Yala, we will come back. We will come back. We will go over there, oh, another side. Yala. We will go for another side. Ako bird. Yala, we will go here.
What bird?
If they will let us go in. Yala. Go for the bird. Run. Come, run for the bird. Go. Make the bird like this fly. Like this. Yala, go. Run for the bird. Too much. Allah. Ah. They are nice, see. Come. They give the bird food. Come. Come ba? They give the bird food. Grabe nice kayo. Kung ina nila ang Pilipinas. Ina nilang ka nice. Ginoo color dato juking Pilipinas. See. See the bird. I will go, ha. Bird! They're flying! Oh! Kalas, they fly already. This the bird. Bird! Fly! Ako! Ako, yala. Come. Hold my hands. Hold my hands. Bata nga gamay ang akong kauban. Baba? Baden. See here, oh. Wow. Oh. Wow, nani ka nice ang resort, guys. Wow. See? Mura siyang palasyo. Palasyo sa Espanya. Kanang mga ingon anak bitaw mga palasyo sa Espanya. So that's all, and thank you for watching. Bye.